Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick for OBS Studio, how to convert mono audio to stereo. If you've ever had your microphone or any audio source playing in just one ear and that's driving you a little crazy, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, your mono audio will sound balanced and crystal clear in both the left and right channels, whether you're live streaming or recording. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate your audio source in OBS. This could be your mic or maybe your desktop audio, anything that's only playing through one side of your headphones. Take a look over at the audio mixer panel in OBS Studio. Each source is listed with its own volume slider and name. If you're not sure which one is causing the problem, try muting each source one at a time and listen for which controls the one-sided audio. Say you notice your voice is only coming through the left earpiece, that's probably your microphone showing up as a mono device. Once you've found your culprit, you'll see a little cogwheel icon right next to the source's volume slider. Go ahead and click on it. That opens up a few options. What you're looking for is the filters option. This is where OBS lets you adjust the properties and effects for each audio source. Filters are a powerful tool. They let you control things like background noise, add compression, and in our case, fix the way OBS treats your mono audio. When you're inside the filters menu, you'll see a section labeled Effect Filters. At the bottom left of that window, look for a small plus icon. Click it to add a new filter. A list will pop up, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it looks. From the list, select Gain and click OK. Now, normally gain filters are used to boost your volume, but here's the neat workaround. Just adding the gain filter, without changing the actual gain, actually gets OBS to treat your audio as stereo. So in the settings, make sure your gain is set to 0 dB, which means you're not increasing or decreasing the volume. You're simply telling OBS, hey, treat this as stereo. If you're wondering why this works, it's because adding any effect filter like gain forces OBS to reprocess the audio source, and in doing so, internal routing converts the mono signal into stereo output. Think of it like plugging a simple adapter into a one-sided headphone jack. It doesn't change the audio content, but it makes sure you're hearing it equally in both ears. Once you've done that, just close the window. You won't see any dramatic change visually, but now if you listen to your stream or recording, your mono source should play through both the left and right channels. If it doesn't work instantly, give OBS a moment to update or re-enable the source and check your monitoring settings. So whether you're podcasting, gaming, or just chatting with your viewers, you can be sure that everyone hears you loud and clear, not just in one ear. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any other OBS audio questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy practical tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.